Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Learn and Practice with Teju. So today in this video we are going to see about the 3 marks continuation. In the last video we have did more median and mean problems. So we will continue with the 3 marks. Okay, let's go into the video. Let cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A equals to 2 secant A. So first take the LHS part. Cos A plus 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Now do the cross multiplication. So cos A into cos A, cos square A, 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 plus sin A into cos A, cos square A. Like that only have to write. This is in the form of A plus B whole square. Here A is 1, B is sin A. So A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB by cos A into 1 cos A plus sin A into cos A sin A cos A. We know the identity sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. This is an identity we know. So cos square A plus sin square A is 1 plus 1 square is 1 2 sin A by cos A plus sin A cos A. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 sin A. So we take out the cos A common only, like that, and we will keep 1 plus sin A. So from this can we take the common 2? 2, if you take the common, then we will get here 1 plus sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. This one 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin we cancel. 2 by cos A. 2 by cos A is 2. 1 by cos A is equals to secant A. Thus we have proved. Question is square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equals to secant A plus tan A. We have to prove. So given 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. So if in the denominator it is minus, so we have to multiply by plus 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. So now 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A whole square by A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. 1 plus sin A whole square 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A is equals to sin square A plus cos square A. The identity is equals to 1. Now cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. So 1 minus sin square A can be written as cos square A. So this can be written as 1 plus sin A by cos A whole square. Can we write like this? Because 1 plus sin A square is already there, and for cos also square is there. So square and the square root will get cancelled. We will left with 1 by sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A is secant A plus sin A by cos A is tan A. Thus we have proved the LHS is equals to RHS. That the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So one circle is there. Circle, let this be the O, and there is a point, external point P they are telling. So let be this point P, and they are telling the lengths of the tangent. Tangent means touching at one point in a circle. So I am drawing here. Let this be an A point and this is B point. We have to prove PA is equals to PB. This one is equals to this one. PA is equals to PB. We have to do. So let us do some small construction. What? Join OA, OB and OP. Join OA, OB and OP. Wrote what they have given. O is the center, P is an external point, and we have to prove PA is equals to PB. And join construction, what we have done, OA, OB, OP we have joined. Now proof. What we will do? Now consider this triangle OAB and triangle OBP. Consider the triangle in triangle OAP and triangle OBP. Very important one. So now angle OAP is equals to angle OBP. Angle OAP is equals to angle OBP. Means this angle is equals to 90 degrees. Why it is equals to 90 degrees? Radius is perpendicular to the tangent, because radius is perpendicular to tangent. And OP is equals to OP. For both the triangles it is then common one. So OP is equals to OP. For both triangles it is common one. And then OA is equals to OB. Why OA is equals to OB? OA is equals to OB because the radius of the circle will be same, right? Radii of the same circle. So here we are getting R, and this one is H, and this one is S. So by RHS, triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OBP. So by this one we will say the triangle both are equal. So by CPCT means congruence parts of the congruence triangle, what we will say? PA is equals to PB. That's it. Next question. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining the points 1, 6, 4, 3 internally in the ratio 1:2. So we have to find out the coordinates of the points. They have given x1, y1, x2, y2, and here this one is m1 and m2. So m1 is to m2. 1 is to m2 is 1:2. And x1, y1 and x2, y2. What they given? 1, 6, 4, 3. So we have to find out they are telling internally. So P of x, y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So now substitute in this one. m1 is 1, x2 is 4 plus, after substitution we will get like this: 4 ones are 4, 2 ones are 2 by 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 plus 2 is 12 by 3. So we will get 4 plus 2 6 by 3 by 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 2s are 3 ones are 3 5s are. We will get 2, 5. So the coordinates of the points x, y internally if it divides we will get the 2, 5. From the top of the vertical building 50√3 meters. So top of the vertical meeting, this is 50√3 meters high on the level ground. The angle of depression of an object on the same ground is observed to be 60 degrees. Angle of depression means seeing from the top to the bottom. ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇಲಿನಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? 60 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಫೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಭಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು. ಲೆಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಲೆಂತನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಮೇಲಿನಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 60 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋವಾಗನು ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 50√3 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ತಗೊಳೋದು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ 60 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 50√3 ಬೈ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ 50√3 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವೆನ್ 60 degrees. So from top he is seeing to the bottom, that is given 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite side. Opposite side of 60 is 50√3 by adjacent side is BC. tan 60 root 3, AB is 50 root 3 by BC we don't know x. So x is equals to 50 root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel, so x is equals to 50 meters. That is the BC length is equals to the 50 meters. An OQ for less than type. So for the less than type, what we have to do means we have to take the upper limits 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. These are upper limits we have to take in the less than type. And the number of students will be how to have to take means in the median cumulative frequency how we have taken 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 11. 8 plus 7 19, 19 plus 2 21, 21 plus 9 30. Like that you have to take in the less than OQ. And the graph in the less than OQ will come like this. Okay, you have to remember the graph will always be like this only. Marks obtained is 0 to 20, that is than 20, less than 40. We have to write and see the number of students 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 11 19. 19 plus 2 21. 21 plus 9 30. So here almost here the maximum what the question have given. Suppose they have given maximum 30 students means 30 only will come. Maximum 50 students means 50 will come. So at the last we will get the maximum. So in the given question the number of students maximum students should match with this last one. So that you are doing the correct. If it is not matching again you have to do the addition and you are doing the something wrong here is there. Okay. So less than 25. So we will take in the next axis like x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 20 units. This is scale. And y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 units. So let us take here 1 centimeter 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. And y-axis 1 centimeter is 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. So I have taken here in the y-axis number of students. In the next axis marks obtained. So let us plot this one. So how we have got for the less than 20 we have got 5. Less than 20 we have got 5 here. Next for the less than 40 we got 8. Less than 40 we got 8. For less than 60 19. And for less than 80 21. And for less than 100 we got 30. So now plot this one. Like this we have got. Okay. So this is the less than curve. Less than curve will comes like this. Okay. Let us see the more than curve. This is a more than type OQ. Length of 42 leaves. So 42 leaves they have mentioned means the maximum should be the 42 only. So here the they given already CF. CF means cumulative frequency. It is already in the increasing order only. So from 5, 11, 25, 34, 40, 42. Or else if you see from the top 42, 40 it is in the decreasing order from the down, and then from the up if we see means it is in the increasing order. So it is said to be the cumulative frequency. Suppose if it is not in the order wise means either decreasing wise or either increasing wise it is not in the order, then you have to take that cumulative frequency method as you have did in the less than type, and in the median how we will do. So first of all you have to do from the top you have to remove, from the bottom you have to add. Okay, from in the more than type I am saying from the top you have to remove, from the bottom you have to add. So let us plot. I have taken in the x-axis length. In the x-axis I have taken length, and in the y-axis I have taken the cumulative frequencies. So in the x-axis they given from starting 110, 15, 120, 125. So scale I will take x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 5 mm. Okay, 5 mm. And then y-axis, the maximum is 5, minimum is 5 and the maximum is 42. So I will start with 10. So 1 cm 1 centimeter is equals to 10 leaves I have taken. So let's plot the graph. Okay, in the less than type we have seen that graph will be like this. In the more than type the graph will be like this. Okay, so the first one they given is directly we are taking 110. So do this graph like this. From 1 centimeter it is like 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140. And the y-axis we are taking from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So first one is more than 110 is 42. 110 is 42. So the point will come here. From more than 115 is 40. 150, 40. 120, 34. 120 is at 34. 125, 25. 125 is at the 25. For the 130 it is at the 11. For 135 it is at the 5. So now draw the graph. See, the graph is coming like this. After drawing the graph, plot the points. So directly they have given the cumulative frequency. So directly we do the graph like this. In the next questions I will see if the cumulative frequency means the increasing order or in the either the decreasing order the frequency has not given means how to do the problem. Let us see. Okay, this is very important, more than you give. The next question they given is a train travels 360 kilometers at the same speed. If the speed has been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would take 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the original speed of the train. So we have to find the original speed of the train. A train is traveling 360 kilometers at the uniform speed. So that this is the distance they are given. Speed we don't know, let it be the x. And the time, so time how can we find? Time is equals to distance by speed. So then by this we will get the distance by speed. And they have told that the speed has been increased 5 kilometers per hour. Per hour the train speed has increased this much. So speed will become x plus 5 and the distance will become that one only, distance. So time is equals to 360. This is distance by time. Time is x plus speed 360 by x plus 5. So let's do the problem, you will understood. So they are telling train travels 360 kilometers at uniform speed. Okay, speed we don't know, let it be then x kilometers per hour. And the time how we will get? Time is equals to distance by speed, that is 360 by x. Time is from hours. And they have told the speed of the train increased 5 kilometers per hour. How much they increased the speed? X plus 5 kilometers per hour it has increased. Now the time will become what? Distance by speed. Distance will be the same, that one only. Time will become x plus 5 hours. Okay. And they told it would take 1 hour less for the same journey. So the same journey means this much. Actually it is traveling with this speed this much speed only, but at the sudden off they have increased it to the 5 kilometers per hour. So while traveling this much speed means 5 kilometer 1 hour 5 kilometers ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋವಾಗ ಆವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗೋದು 9 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ 1 hour ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ನೌ ಟೈಮ್? 360 by x plus 5. They are telling the original speed ಗನ್ನ 1 hour ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗನ್ನ 1 hour ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. 1 hour ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕನ್ನ? ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಹವರ್ಸ್ಗನ್ನ. ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಹವರ್ಸ್ ಏನು? 360 by x. 1 hour ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಸೊ 1 hour ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? Why have taken like this? Actual the original speed is 360 by x. but that they are telling at the suddenly the 5 kilometers per hour it has increased. So then the time will become 360 by x plus 5. This increased time is equals to increased time is equals to original time minus how much they have minus less time how much it has given 1 hour. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಟೋಟಲ್ increased time equals to original time minus 1. Now take the LCM for this. 360 by x plus 5 is equals to 360. Take the LCM minus x by x. Now do the cross multiplication. 360 into x is equals to 360 minus x into x plus 5. Now I wrote the same like that only. 360 minus x into x plus 5. Now multiply then each term. X into 360 minus x plus 5 into 360 minus x. So 360x is equals to 360 into x, 360x minus into plus minus x square plus 5 into 360 is 1800 minus 5 into x is 5x. 360x will get cancelled. Now 0 is equals to minus x square plus 1800 minus 5x. So x square, now multiply with the minus so that we will get here minus will become plus, minus 1800 plus 5x is equals to 0. X square plus 5x minus 1800 is equals to 0. Now do this product will become x square into minus 1800 x square. Sum will become 5x. So what is the factors for this 1800 and the product should become then 5x? 45x into 40x. 45x into 40x we should take minus 40. Why? Here higher number sign should get plus 5 only. No, here higher number is 45. For 45 some symbol plus, so that it will take plus only. 45x minus 40x. X square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equals to 0. From this take common x plus 45. From this we will get the same term like that only, and now we will get the common. What we will get common? Minus 40 equals to 0. X minus 40, x plus 45 is equals to 0. So x minus 40 equals to 0, x plus 45 is equals to 0, x is equals to 40, x is equals to minus 45. So actually the distance won't be in the negative, so we will take the 40 as the answer. Normal speed of the train. Normal speed of the train is equals to 40 kilometers per hour. 40 kilometers per hour. The cost of 5 oranges and the 3 apples is rupees 35. Cost of 2 oranges and 4 apples is rupees 28. Find the cost of 1 orange, 1 apple. So let the cost of orange. 1 orange is x. Let the cost of 1 apple is y. They are given 5 oranges, means 5 into x plus 3 apples. 3 into y is equals to how much they given? 35. And next in the next equation they given 2 oranges. 2 into x plus 4 apples. 4 into y is equals to 28. How much we'll get? 5x plus 3y is equals to 35. 2x plus 4y is equals to 28. Now make then x coefficient equal. Multiply with this one with 2 and multiply this one with 5. Okay, 5 2s are 10x plus 6y is equals to 70. This one 10x plus 4 4s are 20y is equals to 40. Now change the signs, plus minus minus. This one will get cancelled and we will get minus 14y is equals to 70. Y is equals to minus 70 by minus 14. Minus minus cancel. 14 ones are 14 5s are. Y is equals to 5 we have got. Now substitute y is equals to 5 in any equation. So let us substitute. Here we will substitute. How much we will get? Substitute y is equals to 5. Y is equals to 5 in this one. 5x plus 3 into 5 equals to 35. 5x plus 15 is equals to 35. 5x is equals to 35 minus 15. 5x is equals to 20. X is equals to 4. So x is what we have taken, oranges. So cost of oranges is 4 rupees. Cost of apple is 5 rupees. So cheap, right? Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Their areas are equals to, this total area is equals to 64 centimeter square. This one is equals to 121 centimeter square. EF, they how much they given? 15.4. This one we have to find is this one. So what is an condition by you for them to find the areas of, by using the Thales theorem? Areas of the triangle ABC by area of the triangle DEF is equals to side square by side square. Side square by side square. Side square by side square means here for this one BC square by EF square. Area of triangle, this is 64 by 121 is equals to BC square. We don't know, let it be the x square by EF square is 15.4 square. So 64 can be written as 8 square by 11 square. 121 can be written. So x square by 15.4 x square. Now how can we do this one? Now we want x square. Now we want x square. Let us take the squares, remove the squares now. How much we will get here? 8 by 11 is equals to x by 15 by 4. Now we want x. So how can we get x? 8 into, do cross multiplication, 15 by 4 is equals to 11 into x. So x is equals to 8 into 15.4 by 11. 11 ones are 11. We will get 4 here. 11 fours are 44. So x is equals to 8 into 1.4. How much we will get? 8 into 1.4, 11.2. I means 112. 14 is a 112, right? So 11.2 centimeters. 11.2 centimeters. That's it. Question: the interior angles of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral like this it is there. So interior angles of quadrilateral they given with the smallest angle is 15 degrees. Find the remaining angles of the quadrilateral. So in the smallest degree they are given. The smallest angle, so let the angles of the quadrilateral which are in the AP. So let A minus 3D, A plus A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Are you getting? So let this be then A minus 3D and this be then A plus 3D. So let this be then A minus D, let this be then A plus D. So sum of the angles in an quadrilateral is equals to then 360, right? So now count this. A minus 3D plus 3D minus 3D minus D plus D cancel. We will get 4A is equals to 360. A is equals to 360 by 4. That is equals to 90 degrees. So A is equals to 90 degrees. So you may get the question, doubt that why should we have to take minus 3D plus 3D plus D minus D only? Why should we have to take like that, you will ask. They are because you can take minus 2D and plus 2D also. But if you take then 3, the cancellations will be easy. So only we are taking then 3D. That's it. Shoot this A in the least degree. So what is the least angle they have given? A minus 3D. So least angle is A minus 3D. How much they given? A minus 3D is given 15 degrees. So A is 90 minus 3D is equals to 15 degrees. 19 minus 15 is equals to 3D. 19 minus 15 is 75, that is 3D. D is equals to 75 by 3, that is 25 degrees. D is equals to 25 degrees we have got. Okay, A is 90, D is 25. Now substitute in this one. A minus 3D is equals to